Hello guys, this is Joey from Linbay Machinery. Today I'm gonna introduce the lock channel roll forming machine to you. The lock channel is the primary framework for the greenhouse, which is shape C, so we can put the spring wire into the lock channel to provide an excellent connection for the greenhouse carving. So in this production line, we have a decoiler, the roll forming machine, and the hydraulic carting machine. The roll forming machine has a cast iron structure and can deal with the thickness of 0.7 millimeter steel coil, and we can see the lock channel is a type of C, and its feeding width is 60 millimeter. And in this production line, we can reach the speed of 30 minutes. In this production line, we can reach the speed of 30 millimeter per minute. So it's a very cost-effective choice for whether personal use or business sales. So if you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact us or leave a message. We will test the machine before shipment, so our customer can produce in time after receiving this machine. See you next time.